Welcome back, guys. In this video we will create our registration functionality that we can input our registration data into the database. First of all, I have created a function name create in the registration controller. So first load the enter the action URL that we can enter the our registration form, and we use base URL with the register slash create. When we submit the form, all the data goes to the base URL register create, which is our register controller create function. Let's test this input post. This is the input method of Codeigniter. This is just like the basic input method, but the major benefit of this input method is it already access clean method used in this function. So if we give the parenthesis blank, then it get all the fields data of the form submitted. So let's test print our data. Name is Ahmed, username is Ahmed, and email is and password. So the have oh, we haven't loaded the URL library. So first load the URL and form library. If we use the form library, the form will be submitted automatically. If we use the Codeigniter basic form methods, and URL method we use, if we use the URL helper, then we will able to use the base URL method. Again, let's submit again. Username is password and username is Ahmed, email is username test, password and password. Oh, again, oh, another. Hey, name is Ahmed, username is Ahmed, email is Ahmed. Here we go. It's better view. Name is equal to Ahmed, username is equal to Ahmed, email is equal to Ahmed test, password is this and password is this. We have getting all the data of form submit. So let's create the form validation with the form validation class of Codeigniter. So I have write all the rules, validation rules. So let me explain. First of all, I load the library, Codeigniter built-in library form validation, and we have written a rule. Rule name is name, and it is required, and minimum length is 4 characters. So set rules get 3 parameters. First is name of the input field, which is our name. Second one is the name of the rule, and the third one is rules which are validation rules. So I have written first one is required, name must be required, and it must be minimum 4 characters length. The second rule is username, and username field name, and it is also required, minimum length is 4. And here becomes the important part, is unique. Codeigniter is unique method is here is. So is unique method, we have used is unique method. Is unique method done do is it goes to the users table and check the username column. So if he finds the username column, so the username you entered in the username field, it checks the username into the users table username column. If he finds the username already exists, it display the username is already existed. This is the most amazing thing of the Codeigniter form validation. And in the next field we have email validation rule name email, it is also required, and I have used valid email, which is it validate the email, and it also is unique because username and email must be unique, and it finds the users table and email column. If email finds duplicate, then it display the username email is also exist. And fourth is password, and it is password, it is also required, and its minimum length is 6. Last rule is confirm password, and name is also confirm password. And it is also required, and here comes the important part of this rule is it matches the password field, because password and confirm password must be same. So it automatically matches the password field. If the password field and confirm password field is not the same, it gives the validation error. So after validation rules, we check if the validation form run false, means if any one of the rules don't complete. For example, one field must not be entered, it require field character should be less than the 3 or 4. There is also message. Let's test. First of all, I have created and run false. It will go to the back to the register view, and in register view here we echo the validation errors. So let's test quickly. Username name is Ahmed, username is also Ahmed, and test.com. Password is also Ahmed, and confirm password is also Ahmed. These fields are all correct. First of all, name field is true character. Submit. So here we go. The name field must be 4 character at least length. Okay. And username must be contain a unique value. Okay. Email field must be a unique value, and password field must be a 6 length. These are must be unique because we haven't created any database or table of users, so this must be solved by the creating the user tables. And have you see this one? So if I enter the blank page, let's see, the name field is required, username is required, confirm password also required. If we have created 6 character password but not the same password, let's check. The confirm password field does not match the password field. This is the biggest edge of Codeigniter validation class. The validation is very easy in the Codeigniter and 100% secure. So let's create the database.